there's coaches, there's buses, there's a Routemaster. There's all of these really different types of buses here. We got an Omni City over there. We got a Chase side bus. I love the Routemaster and the Optus Solo. That looks really cool. Got a Scania Omni City. You got a Chase side Enviro 400. You got a Enviro 200. You got a coach. You got a Optus Solo, another coach, an Enviro 300 or 200. And there's lots of rail replacements here today. Hello everybody, UKTransit here. Today I will be riding rail replacement buses. I'm going from Red Hill to Gatwick Airport and then Gatwick Airport to East Grinstead so I can catch a train into London. This bus route stops at all of these stops, which makes sense. So Red Hill starts at Red Hill, ends at Gatwick Airport, stops at Ellswood, Salford and Hawley. However, it takes an extremely long time. I'll explain more in a minute. Now let's go and find our bus. There is two buses going to Purley. That's going to Purley and this is going to Purley. This is so strange. This is a Routemaster, a new Routemaster. Oh, this is so cool, it's a new Routemaster. I've never been on one of these before. This is my first time on a Routemaster. We are on the move now. There's no one else on the top deck. So this route is extremely long. It takes 52 minutes to get from Red Hill to Gatwick Airport. Driving, that takes 17 minutes, just like driving normally. And on the train, it takes 13 minutes. So a 52-minute journey for something that's meant to be 13 minutes. I think that's ridiculous. But this stops at Ellswood, Salford and Hawley and then finally Gatwick Airport. However, the normal train does that and it only takes 13 minutes. So we're stopping at this bus stop for Ellswood, even though this isn't really too close to the station. How does it take 52 minutes if the bus doesn't even go to the actual station? Because the bus driver didn't even go to the actual station. How does it take 52 minutes? That's ridiculous. It's really strange how this bus takes 52 minutes but the bus doesn't even stop next to Ellswood railway station. Like, you would have thought if it's 52 minutes like it advertises, then they would have actually gone to the actual station rather than stop at a bus stop that isn't really too close to the station. But yes, this is my first ever time on a new Routemaster bus and I do quite like it. It's got a third door. Again, stopping nowhere near the station. So on the first one at Ellswood, she didn't stop anywhere near the station, which obviously isn't her fault, they're probably told where to go. But she actually shouted out and said Ellswood Station. This time, she didn't shout it out and say Salford Station or Salford Station. She isn't like going into the stations at all. She's just stopping at a bus stop on the main road. How does this take 52 minutes, Southern? How does this take 52 minutes? I love that it's operated by a Routemaster though. This was my second choice. When I was looking at all the buses, I was like, okay, the Optus Solar, that's my first choice of what one I'd like it to be. And then my second choice was this Routemaster. So I'm glad that we got the Routemaster. However, it is extremely sunny and it is annoying me. So, we're nearly at Hawley Station. So my question is, are we going to be stopping at just the front of the station, just the bottom of the station, or both? So we're here at Hawley Main. We're here at Hawley main bus stop, the front of the station. There's lots of engineering work at Hawley. The noise for the doors shutting sounds like a fire alarm. Is the bus on fire? Wow. Anyway, the reason why this is happening is because there's essential engineering works between East Croydon and Gatwick Airport. Now, we don't seem to be going to the bottom of Hawley Station, which is a bit of a shame. But yes, so for the past few weeks, I think all of the weekends in this month, if I'm not mistaken, have been no trains between East Croydon and Gatwick Airport, or something along those lines. This video was recorded on the 24th of January 2026. Oh, it's got a timeout limit on it. Bus stopping. Yes! Legend, she opened the third door. Lovely Routemaster. 3 doors. Rail replacement. So we've been told to go to the train station area, and then a member of staff will show us, will take us to the bus when it's there. So apparently we have to go through here. Okay, so this goes non-stop to East Grinstead. However, they should have definitely put a double-decker on this. We've got suitcases flying everywhere. Like one even hit the front door. They were sliding all around the bus. It was actually quite funny, but also obviously bad. And this bus is to its capacity almost. I wouldn't say it's to its capacity, but I would say it's very almost to its capacity. I think they should have definitely put a double decker on this rather than from Redhill to Gatwick, personally, but you know. At present, East Grinstead is one of the only places where you can change for national rail services towards central London. So at the moment, a lot of people are on this bus trying to get to central London. I love that the seats say Scania on them.
me for a pack of biscuits. No, I'm doing rail replacement, Bosh. No, I'm doing rail replacement.
The bus driver is on his phone.
Yeah.
He's talking to someone, probably a member of his family by the sound of it. Yeah, that isn't good.
Auntie, you going shop?
He's talking to his auntie, I think. He's talking about the rail replacement as well.
Come out of my ball bag. You know what it is? They show no law and respect when they're nuns around. They're about as loyal as a fox.
You can clearly see that the
They would
driver's
sell
on his
me for a
phone.
pack of chocolate fingers. I'm in East Grinstead at the minute here, then we're going East Grinstead to Gatwick. Okay, well the story of the situation is that I'm getting off first. So, I'm getting off this bus first before all these passengers, isn't it? Wait, everybody wait. Let me off 1 second. I'll look at those doors.
You're allowed to be on your phone while driving.
Huh?
I said, are you allowed to be on your phone whilst
It's
driving?
in the phone holder, I wasn't on it.
Sure. Scania Omi City here, rail replacement, very bad bus driver, on his phone whilst driving, not using, very bad bus driver, not, he was using his phone whilst driving, not holding it, he was using a, he was, bus driver was on his phone whilst driving, not most professional thing, definitely a sackable offence, and yes. Okay, so you may have just seen, apparently he owns the bus company, which I don't believe. Second thing is, it's a private company. I believe I can still report him to the council, but I will do so. If it goes far, it goes far. The passengers were slightly worried, I can tell. I don't believe it's very appropriate for a bus driver to be on their phone and speaking to someone like that after everything had happened. He was speaking to me horribly. It's horrible to be spoken to by bus drivers or bus company owners like that. This is UKTransit signing off from East Grinstead. Like, subscribe, and leave any comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.